Hi there, Tom Boyer from IR.Tools. Hey, we're going to talk a little bit about our upright powered thermal targets. So here we've got a great example of our E-type upright thermal powered target. So you'll notice on this target we've got the upright film, which enhances the contrast even when the target is perfectly vertical, even when you're not directly in front of the target, off at an angle, this sort of thing. These targets, as you may know, we create the image by printing. So we can create any image on our upright thermal targets to give you the image that you need to shoot at. In this case, you see the E-type clearly. I want to go into some of the power options, okay? So looking at this target, you'll notice that at the end, we've got a fairly standard SAE 2-prong connector. Now, one thing you're going to notice, which is critically important, is in this case, we've got a warning flag that this is a DC target. So 12 or 24 volts, not 120. Okay, so important to follow these labels and give the proper voltage. 120 would definitely overheat this target. Now, when you are ready to power this, we've got a lot of different options. You need to understand those to make the right choice. So one option we have, and this is our most popular option, quite honestly, has the SE connector on one end and alligator clips on the other. So this is great if you've got some sort of a power supply which has open terminals. For example, think about a automotive car battery, 12-volt battery that you're hooking onto. Alternatively, you can think about something like this. So this is a lithium-ion battery, which is really great for these. And the connectors just connect right on to the terminals. And voila, you can run your target. Now, possibly that's not what you're using. Maybe you're using a BA5590. So this is a BA5590 battery, largely used for telecommunications. You'll notice that there's a round connector on the end. And these batteries, interestingly enough, can be wired to operate in 12-volt or 24-volt mode. And so we have two different cables, one which is wired for 12-volt delivery, one which is wired for 24-volt delivery. So similarly, SA connector on one end, round BA55 connector on the other end, and take that apart. This connector will fit right onto the BA5590 battery. Of course, when you run that in 24-volt mode, you're going to consume energy much faster than 12, but you will get a brighter image as the target will heat up more. Lastly, on cables, we do have an extension cable. So if you just need to get your power further away from your target, you can use the extension, and it has SAE on both sides. Now finally, we do have a 24-volt power solution. So in this case, we have a 24-volt transformer. One end plugs into a standard United States North American outlet, and the other end has two SAE connectors. So this is a solution that could be used to power from wall power. So you have a lot of different options when you come to powering your targets, and you could certainly create your own system just with some SE connectors and whatever power supply you've already got on site. If you have any questions, please reach out and we're happy to help, and have good luck with your shooting. Thanks very much. Bye.